Welcome back to another disassembly. So we're making a Stellamentum. Matisfaction coined that term, and I like it. I like it a lot, actually. It's gonna be the Stellamentum, but I feel like he's holding me very high up there, like, and I'm like, oh no, what if I let him down? Nah, I have some pretty good ideas, but I don't know where to go. There it goes. I'm not 100% on one out of three. I'm torn between them. I need a magnet. Hold on a second. Here we go. All right. I just don't trust myself without a magnet. It's funny, I was just having a conversation about loving the fact that people still use steel for hardware, because titanium hardware sucks. I mean, the only thing it's good for, really, is, sorry guys, anodization, just for customization. It's nice to have titanium hardware for things like that. If you need to take your knife apart at all, I just don't recommend titanium. If you don't take it apart very much, titanium is just fine. But I just feel like, I feel like something's stripped here. No, I don't think so. It's just spreading apart, that's all. But yeah, I don't know. No, I just prefer steel. I guess if I pushed out the pivot. That thing is together still. Oop, there we go. Oh, he got the skiffs in here. Bleed blasted blade. Bleed blasted blade. Oh. The barrel spacers are also steel, which is good. It's easier to keep track of. That's the way I like it. Nobody needs me to lose their stuff. Oh, that should pop right out, actually. Oh, almost. Oh, come on. Get out. There we go. Oops. That's the only reason I don't like magnets when I'm disassembling. I think that's a T6. I'm pretty sure it is. Hold on. Yeah. Oh God, I think the cat just must have pooped, man. That ball sack cat, he sure can shit like a grown man, man. That thing, you would assume it was a 5'10" Italian man after getting drunk and eating a lot of garlicky, I don't know. He just poops and it's crazy. His poop is crazy. It's just too much. It's so negatively fragrant. Hashtag negatively fragrant. Yeah, so. But he's such an awesome cat, man. I'll tell you, Ollie. That's what I don't know. I think we changed his name like 2 or 3 times. So what we ended up with, which I think you guys know already, but it's Oliver. We call him Ollie. It's such a cute name. I don't know if I mentioned it, but I am disassembling the Stellamentum for Matisfaction. Oh yeah, I did say that. Okay, sorry. All right. This bad boy needed to be loved and cleaned. Well, it's well loved, I'll say that. Definitely loves this thing. It's got a lot of oil in there. Lots of oil. I'll wash it with Dawn. That's the best thing to use if, like, for just, prep work or for prep. Dawn soap. It's perfect to clean it with. You'll see too when you're washing it. You'll see a layer come off of it. It's yeah. You'll see. You'll see. Well, I mean, you won't see from me, but you'll see if you wash your titanium in Dawn though. Anyway, I have these as well. These are cool. I really like these scales, titanium. I think these are. I like them. They're good ones. They make it nice and contoured compared to the flat scales that normally is if you carry it. She was a dirty girl. Yeah. Okay, cool. So that was the disassembly of the future Stellamentum. Thank you for joining. See you soon.